Remove the battery pack and secure the battery compartment cover in the open position. Use a H5 bit to remove the 2 screws securing the seat assembly. Pull the seat assembly back and remove it. Remove the controller screw plugs and use a PH2 bit to remove the 5 screws securing the power cables to the controller. Remove the 3 plugs connected to the controller. Use a H5 bit to remove the 4 screws securing the controller to the frame. Replace with a new controller and tighten with the screws. Tighten the 2 screws to secure the seat assembly. Close the battery compartment cover. Once the bike is fully installed, lift the rear wheel and fold the kickstand. Start the bike and press ready button. Twist the throttle to a full speed and hold for 1 second to perform the self-learning. Release the throttle and wait until the bike comes to a full stop.